are making pigs in a blanket, or in our case, beef in a blanket, because we're using beef hot dogs. So, you want to preheat the oven to 375. So what you want to do
is take your batter.
Yes, take your batter.
And you don't have to peel it all the way. You just need like a good peel. Now, this is my favorite part of making pigs in a blanket. Yeah! Make sure your child uses a knife unsupervised. It's very, very safe. No.
Don't actually do it. So what? So we are doing the store brand. This is what it looks like.
That's the teared up shreds.
So what you want to do? You want to take this and you want to.
Can we wash our hands?
1 minute. And remember to wash your hands, unlike we did.
Which I pointed out.
Yes. So now we're washing our hands.
I did.
Yes. And now you roll it out.
My second favorite step.
You roll it out and take a knife or some scissors. Remember to be careful. And if you're doing this with your child, or if you are a child, remember to be safe and never hold sharp objects without adult supervision.
Okay, also, if you are using a sharp material, not just scissors or knives, of any kind, and you are probably under 13 years old, I would recommend having an adult with you. Crafts, kitchen, out and anywhere in the world, living your life post-pandemic.
Post-pandemic.
You should have an adult supervision to use a sharp tool.
Or anything hot.
I do the oven alone.
And now we're going to cut them open.
And there will be hot dog juice. And don't worry, we are under adult supervision using sharp
with
tools.
the man over there.
Dun 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 dun. Betty's dead. Betty's dead. I mean my dad. Cut the hot dog.
So what you do, you take any hot dog.
Any hot dog will do.
And for our size right here, we're going to cut them in half. Or you can buy the small hot dogs. So you put them
on
there,
the end,
and then you start rolling.
My grandma does this all the time, and this is a good tip. So she likes to put it not at the very end, but like right here, so you can kind of flatten this on here so it will stay, and then go around. And she kind of likes to like get all the batter in there, so like fold the edges.
Or you can do whatever you want, like I did, which is now a potato.
Potato time.
It's like a hot pocket.
I have a baby. Meet my baby. His name is Tiny Tim. I put him in the bathtub to see if he could swim. He drank up all the water and ate a bar of soap. Now poor Tiny Tim has a bubble in his throat.
Here's your hot dog.
My child. Now you have to put it on the tray, even them out kind of apart from each other.
So
you don't want them to make friends. No friends at school for the kids.
So you want to do them like about 1 inch to 2 inches apart.
Murder the hot dogs. Is this child safe?
No, but we have adult supervision right there.
No, I meant like this video because I'm mentioning murder.
We can just cut that out because it's YouTube.
The magic of editing.
Wow.
Oh.
Make me kawaii.
Here's your hot dog. Thank you. You got the pizza sauce.
See, it looks like a pizza.
Mine. I wanted that. Wait, I'm gonna do it a different way. I'm gonna do this. Okay. Here comes the sun, little baby. Here comes the sun.
And also, you can cut the bread into smaller pieces if you maybe have a smaller child or you want to make it last. You can cut anything into smaller pieces.
As my little sister does, she tears off the bread, then makes my mom cut up the hot dog. She eats the hot dog, and then she eats the bread. So that's a way to do it.
Like one time I saw a person eating a sandwich. They took the bread off, took the cheese off, they took everything apart, ate the bread, ate the pickle, ate the cheese, ate the meat, and then ate the bread. Psychopath.
Oh, that's what my little sister does too. She takes the bread off, eats it, then takes the cheese off, eats it, then takes the ham off, eats it, and then takes the last piece of bread and eats it.
Sorry, we're very off topic. Okay.
Very.
How long do we have to preheat the oven for?
And so it should be preheated by now.
My violent nature.
It probably, oh yeah, bake 9 to 12 minutes, but I bet it is ready to go.
Yes. So you preheat it for 9 to 10 minutes.
And put your extra hot dogs in the fridge.
Yes. So go do that. And then
The fridge.
yeah. And then you take this. This isn't how all ovens. Ooh, that's hot.
It's fancy.
And you should wear protective glove gear, which is
Wait, is it in here? Nope.
that's a knife.
Surprise, we've moved most of it. See if you can find it.
Dun-dun-dun.
Oh, I found it.
There we go. Do I get one?
You get these.
Gee, thanks.
Do not stand in front of the oven too close, because it can be. See ya. Hold on. This is kind of heavy. Hold with your finger.
I'm trying. I'm trying.
And then you put it on the top.
Or bottom. Or whatever you want.
Because we want them to cook fairly quick.
In the middle of the oven is where you get it's where all the heat goes. So it centers in there.
Yeah.
Fun fact number 1.
And now you close it. And how long do you wait?
Good tip. Don't leave it open while you're cooking.
Bake for 9 to 12 minutes until golden brown. Okay, and if your oven isn't see-through like ours, just take a quick
Peek.
look. Wearing protective gear. Be safe. And then see if they're golden brown yet. But if your oven is clear, then just look through.
And if you have one of those ovens that has a little light bulb on the top, or light switch, you can press that. And most ovens are black on the outside, but then have this little clear part, and then you can just look into.
Yeah.
Do you guys have a light bulb?
I don't think so.
Oh yeah, no, I need to fix it.
No.
This thing is from like the 50s or something.
Yeah.
It's got a few problems.
1950s.
All right, I'll show y'all a secret. Look at this microwave. This is an old school microwave. Power, 0, time, 1200. Now we got a timer going for 12 minutes.
What? Secret hacker. Microwave.
And is it even gonna get hot?
It's just running a timer right now. So I set the power to 0.
Woohoo! And I do da-da-da-da, woohoo! And I feel like a no-show all in a time.
We are not sisters. We are just wearing the same shirt coincidentally.
Watermelon sugar high. Watermelon sugar high. Tastes like strawberries on a summer evening. This is how you wait out your time. And it sounds just like a song. Tastes like y'all berries.
Tastes like Orbeez. Don't taste Orbeez. Don't eat them.
This is not the Orbeez video.
Dang it!
The power of editing!
Cheese sticks, any 2 cheese sticks. You layer bread, cheese stick, bread. You pop it in the oven just long enough to melt the cheese. Then you put them in those cute little paper boats. No seasoning.
Roll the bread, roll the bread.
Lawnmower!
Lawnmower! The shopping cart.
Stir the dough. Stir the dough.
The worm.
This
The
is how you...
sprinkler. It's done.
Yeah!
Okay, so now what you want to do is you want my turn. Quack! Quack. So you want to carefully open your oven with protective gear on. I'm turning it to Betty. Ugh. And then, carefully, gently, help me, Betty. Take it out and
Place it over there.
and lay it on a flat surface. And you might want one of these like ringy things.
So it doesn't do something bad to the table.
But you will hear this crack-a-lackin' sound. Oh, it's hot.
Look how perfectly crisp.
And while you're doing this, remember to clean up your surroundings. As you can see, we have thrown away all of the trash that we had.
Roll the dough.
Don't do it after. Don't do it.
What about the oven? What do we do with that?
Oh, close it. We close it.
I just put this away.
Close it. Close it.
I just put these away.
We close it. We close
And we turn it off.
And we turn it off.
Refrigerator.
Deep freezer.
Refrigerator.
Ice cream maker.
Nobody cares about the kitchen supplies. Now, you want to let them cool, and I don't know if you do this, Betty, but with my great-grandma, my dad's grandma, Mimi, she would always take a towel for pizza, hot dogs, anything, and she'd put it over to keep the fleas away, but it would still cool. Do you guys do that?
No, we
Should
haven't.
we just let it cool? But
Yeah.
that's a good tip. Roll the dough. Roll it. Now shake it, shake it, shake it. Now take that and break it, break it, break it. Now floss.
This is what we do in our spare time.
Take it back and move it real slow. Oh!
Different video.
Thunder.
Don't look here. Different video.
Surprise!
Next video.
Or maybe before video.
I don't know.
The power of editing is with us today.
Yeah.
How do you tell if they're cool? Tell me, Betty.
The way that I do it, you hover above to see if it's hot and then do a light quick touch to see if they're ready to be able to grab off.
Well,
They're still a little bit too hot.
My grandma would always take her pinky and she would just put it on the top for about 5 seconds. Or maybe 3, I don't know. And she'd feel them. That's what she'd do. I don't know why it's the pinky, I don't know. You can choose whatever finger is least precious to you to burn it off with fire. The cameraman has been so kindly and he's cut up some of these cucumbers, #Gurken, German, and some carrots. I do not know what carrot is in German. The bottom's got burnt.
And you take them and separate them for how many plates you're going to need.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna start with 2 or 3.
And now to make it gourmet. Voila. Voila.
Magnifique.
Yeah. Voila.
So,
Gourmet.
so that is how you make a hot diggity dogs. No, pigs in a blanket. Cow in a blanket. And now you can eat and your stomach